Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Your go-to channel for simplifying your digital life. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a common yet perplexing issue that Windows 10 and 11 users often face. The dreaded critical process died blue screen error. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through some effective solutions to get your system back up and running smoothly. But before we proceed, it's important to understand that the critical process died error indicates that a crucial system process has stopped functioning, leading to system instability. There are several ways to tackle this issue and we'll explore them step by step. Solution 1: Basic troubleshooting. Sometimes simple steps like restarting your computer can solve the issue. If you're unable to boot into Windows normally, try booting into safe mode. To do this, restart your computer and as it's booting up, press the F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. From there, select Safe Mode and press Enter. Solution 2: Run the System File Checker. This tool scans for and repairs corrupted system files. To run it, right-click on the Start button and select Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell. In the command prompt, type sfc/scan now and press enter. Wait for the process to complete, then restart your computer. Now on to the solution number 3, check for Windows updates. Solution 3: Check for Windows updates. Outdated system files can cause various issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, then go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Solution number 4: Uninstall recent updates or drivers. Sometimes recent updates or newly installed drivers can cause conflicts. To uninstall updates, go to Settings, then tap on Windows Update, then tap on View Update History. Scroll down and you will find Uninstall Updates. If you have tried these solutions and still face the critical process died error, it might be time to consider more drastic measures like resetting Windows or consulting with a professional. Remember, backing up your data regularly can save you from a lot of headaches in situations like this. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you resolve this critical process died error on your Windows 10 or 11 system problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and solutions.